Now we are down to our last topic, which is the Fibonacci sequence. Have you ever counted the petals of a flower or seen the leaves of the cacti and seeds of a sunflower arranged in both left and right-handed spirals? Do you know that those stuff are part of the Fibonacci sequence? But first, what is the Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of two that precede it. Starting at 0 and 1, the sequence will look like this. 0 followed by 1, then followed by 1, then 2, then 3, and then 5, and so on. Because 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 2 plus 3 is 5. So basically, if you're going to observe carefully, every number in the series is the result of by adding the numbers before it. So the individual numbers is referred to as the Fibonacci sequence.
For continuation, three branches is also one of the examples of Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence can also be seen in the way three branches form or split. The Fibonacci begins in the growth of the trunk and then spirals outward as the tree gets larger and taller. We also see the golden ratio in their branches as they start off with one trunk which splits into two. Then one of the new branches stems into two, and this pattern continues. Another example is an egg. As I was cooking my breakfast this morning, I noticed that eggs also follow the pattern. The proportion of the egg shape are closely associated with the golden ratio. After shooting an egg photo, I superimposed a couple Fibonacci spiral onto it. I was pleasantly surprised at how well they lined up. See this picture to understand the association of the egg and the golden ratio.